Okay, this is a very quick introduction to Shorthand, the storytelling platform. It's a great way to publish feature articles with really nice photography, video, and interactive elements. So here's a demo I've thrown together with words, video, more words, widescreen photography, and some nice features such as scrolling photographs. So as the story reveals itself, new pictures emerge. You can also add interactives like interactive maps and interactive timelines. So I'm going to very quickly show you the basics of it. You'll need a login which we can provide you with, so please get in touch. And when you do, you'll get a dashboard that looks like this. So go to create new project, blank story. It's very intuitive, so it's very straightforward. What you do is you build your story in blocks or in sections using this feature on the right. So this is your title page. So you type the words in there and you put in your own photograph. So there we go. Save changes. So that's my nice big widescreen headline. So that's nice. Add a section. So add some text. Now you can write directly into it. I would probably want to write in a Word doc first, just to be safe, maybe. So there's some stock text in there that I delete and put in my own one. Now you can alter that text as you go. So you can let's have a look. You can add hyperlinks, which you should do in any kind of online writing. So let's see. I'm going to find a website about. There we go. Nobel Peace Prize homepage. So I'm going to copy that URL, and I'm going to where is it? I'm going to add that in there and open it in a new window if you like. So people can click on that for more information. You can also customize it in all kinds of ways by putting them in bold, or there's loads of different things you can do with that. So that's the text section. To add a video, it's very straightforward. Go to Media, upload your video to YouTube first, and then go to Edit Media and YouTube, and type in the URL. Well, copy and paste the URL. And just stick it in there. Save changes. Okay. Now the scrolling photographs I'll show you now. So I'll leave the words as they are, but you've obviously changed those. So I'll change the photographs. So this is how it appears. So there's some dummy ones in already. Just get rid of them. And go to Add. And I'm going to pick just 4 random photographs here. So as your story tells itself, new pictures appear. Now what you want is for those pictures to correspond with the text. So when you're mentioning Obama meeting this lady here in the story, or you're mentioning either of them in the story, that's when the picture should appear. Okay, finish editing, happy with that. Now there's another scrolling feature which is a bit nicer, which is uses full width photographs, and it lays the text over the top of it. Now, so what you need to make sure with this is that you've got a nice big high resolution photograph for a start, so it doesn't blur or pixelate. And also the thing that you want to display needs to be to the right of the frame, like this. If that was in the center, it doesn't look very good because it's got text over it. So I'm going to clear the dummy ones that are in there and add some of my own. Some I prepared earlier. Where is it? These ones. Okay, so if I put them in, they're full width and they appear as the story scrolls through, and so that's that. Okay, so probably the other thing I'll mention just now is if you want to add in interactives like maps or timelines, I've done videos for these on this YouTube channel, so have a look and find out how to do those. The best way to do it, I find, you can do it with this box HTML and put the embed code in there, but it actually doesn't display very nicely. So I think it's better to put it in a text box. So you'll have some words in this section. Where are we going? Wait a minute. Bear with me. What's going on here? Right, here we go. So this is the text box, and put the HTML in there. So that embed code goes in there. Oh, sorry, that's not the embed code. So get the embed code from your map. So here's one I prepared earlier. Embed on my site. Okay. And I paste it into that section, and then it will appear. So in the preview, you've got photo, words, leading into video, leading into scrolled photos, more scrolled photos, more words, and then an interactive. So that's it in a nutshell. When you're finished, you want to publish. So where do we go? Okay, so when you're finished, you can preview it, or you can publish and select. And this is the URL where your story will appear. You can customize that URL by adding in a name. So it could be your name, or it could be the headline of your story, or a keyword that you want to crop up in a Google search. And then you click publish, and then you're done. Okay.